Hi, my name is Mudassir Sunala and I am pursuing my BS in Chemistry from University of Education, Lahore. My CGPA in first 4 semester is 3.74. I have been the participant of Alchemist Society and have also participated in first International Conference of Trends and Research in Chemistry 2022.
My name is Mariam and currently pursuing my BS in Chemistry from University of Education, Lahore. My current CGPA of first 6 semester is 3.55 and during this academic period I have participated in a lot of international conferences, workshops and internships related to my field. Just recently we have started working with Dr. Mahmood Ahmed, who is a great professional and has an extensive 19 years professional experience in pharmaceutical industry, where he did quality by design based projects for manufacturing of hemodialysis concentrates in Pakistan as well as in Malaysia. His research interest involved the synthesis of novel drug analogues and tested them for various pharmacological properties. Also, his core analytical chemistry research interest includes development, optimization and validation of HPLC methods for stability. He has published 92 research articles as author and co-author in national and international peer-reviewed journals, resulting in 1208 citation, impact factor 149, highest index 18 and I-10 index 34. He has reviewed 390 research articles for 61 international journals. I am pretty sure that under the kind and supreme leadership of this personality, we are going to have our project very successful.
Our innovative idea is to synthesize a natural-based antimicrobial turmeric coating in packing material. Many methods of packing of material have already been employed, which will somehow contaminate the food in a long run as these are chemical-based coating. But our solution is to provide a biocompatible coating of turmeric, glycerol and gelatin to increase the antimicrobial effect and shelf life of the food.
This turmeric-based coating is very cost-effective and has another advantage in food industry, food security and as well as in healthcare. So that's all about our topic and project. Thank you so much.